All right, in this video, we're going to practice how to learn the language of our topic. And you'll notice up here that I've got Wikipedia pulled up, which seems counterintuitive to everything we've ever been told about doing research before, and that still stands pretty true. However, when we're just learning a topic and we need to know the language of a topic, Wikipedia can be a great place to start. So let's say I'm interested in colony collapse disorder. The great thing about Wikipedia is while it doesn't give me in-depth research, it is going to help me find some terms that I can use when I'm doing my own research, so I don't have to look through everything ever in the whole world that has come up about colony collapse disorder. So I can see things like CCD is an abbreviation. I can see other names that it's been known by: disappearing disease, spring dwindle, May disease, etc. So I can read through here and find some specific terms that will help me refine my search. I can also look at the table of contents and see different causes perhaps, or management, impact, etc. And by clicking down here again, I can read through and find, I can find other search terms or other ways to specify the search that I do. Another thing, if Wikipedia isn't working out for me, is I can go here and we have access to a variety of databases that can be really helpful. If we click down on the student portal, it will take us to our Clever homeroom, and I'm just going to show you mine. Mine's up and ready to go. If we scroll down to library and reference, and we can look at this Britannica, this is a really good place. Again, we're just looking at the language of our topic right now, so we kind of want generic. And so you see there's a guest login required. So all we need to do here is click there, and we find the username and the password. So once we click on that, we'll have a choice for elementary, middle, or high school. We'll go to high school and we'll type in colony collapse. Look at that. We see this great thing for colony collapse disorder. There's an introduction, colony loss and economic impact, suspected causes. And again, as we scroll, as we skim through these, we see again the abbreviation CCD. We see pesticides, nicotine-based insecticide. So maybe that's going to help us out a little bit. Lack of genetic diversity. Okay, and so this is really the first step in our research to learn the language of our topic. All right, thanks for watching.